This 2001 Oshkosh Titanium 1500 is brought to you by RLB Sales. 2001 Oshkosh Titanium 1500 fire truck. Expected condition for the year and mileage. That is sure to please. Features include onboard phone system, 4-wheel drive with independent suspension, general specs length 31 Nm, number 39, 7 end quote, truck height 12 Nm, number 39, 11 end quote, wheelbase 215 end quote, GVWR 54,000 lbs, seating for 3, 0 SCBA seats, mileage 905 engine hours, 295 Detroit 8B92 Ta 710 HP diesel engine, Allison HD 4560 automatic transmission, pump, tank Waterhouse CZU 1500 GPM, side mount 1-stage pump, 1600 gallon polypropylene tank, 200 foam cell, eductor, driver and amp, number 39, S side discharges 2225 end quote, officer and amp, number 39, S side discharge 2225 end quote, driver and amp, number 39.